Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see from the title, we did a thing. So let's basically get right into the video. This is a MacBook Air 15-inch. So yeah, let's get right into it and let's see what we got. Let's see what else is in this. MagSafe charger. We got midnight blue stickers to match computer. I always collect stickers. I've collected stickers since they had the small one, and I didn't realize you had a choice in what charger you could get, but I happened to get, because I didn't choose the double USB-C, the 35-watt charger. It's small and compact. Boom. So what I've noticed so far about this MacBook Air, it's like super fast. It's like setting up really fast. But first thing off the bat that I noticed, it's the bezels. They're a lot thicker than I remember on the MacBook Pro. If my memory serves me correctly, my cousin has the 15-inch MacBook Pro, even though he wiped it down after I touched it. But yeah, the bezels seem bigger, but I kind of knew this from before. I just didn't see it in person, and that's why I opted for the bigger screen too. So yeah, it's really reacting fast. Let's see. Touch ID working as it should. One thing I've noticed with, well, I literally just noticed it, is how big this trackpad is. Like, it's so huge. Let me show you what I'm coming from. So for perspective, I am coming from the 2020 iPad Pro 12.9 inches. Check how massive this trackpad is to the keyboard. And for reference, the screen it gives me quite a bit more surface area. May not be a big difference to you, but look at this bezel on this compared to this. You see the difference? Yeah, I for a long time fought the need to repurchase a MacBook, but I just couldn't. This is an iPad and should be used as such. It is not a computer, and yeah, this is why we're here today. I'm actually parting with ways with the iPad. So yeah, I am super duper excited for this. Like I said, I'm not a super tech girly. I'm really getting into this space. I enjoy it a lot more. However, these are necessities for me right now in what I am trying to accomplish, and I really need a laptop. This was super fast to set up. It literally just asked me for the passcode for this, and it snatched everything in, literally. So yeah, let's see messages. Okay. I don't want it to be turned on right now, so turn that off for now. It has everybody that I've called. Look at me! Why is it stuck? But yeah, camera looking tight, cool. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. The light is behind me with the windows open. But yeah, the camera actually doesn't look bad. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it doesn't look bad. What else? I don't think there's anything else I really want to show you guys, to be honest, from here. But so far so good. I love how I have to get so used to this again. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And finish my whole setup. And yeah, this is really just an unboxing. I talked way longer than I should have. The midnight, I absolutely love it. I love it. It's so beautiful, so sleek. Quick comparison to the iPad, 12.9. A lot more real estate. A lot more real estate. It does look like it fingerprints easily. As you can see, fingerprint. But of course, girl get a case for she girl. So yeah, I think this is it for me. I'm gonna play around with her, see what's up. And that brings me to the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.